In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Yelp's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what you want to do is open up a web browser. And now from there, you want to head on over to pissconsumer.com. This is the site here. This site's great for finding hard to reach customer service numbers or emails on different companies. So once you're on this website, click on the search bar. And now you want to type in Yelp and then click search. Now from here, scroll down and look for reviews about contacts Q&A. Click on contacts, skip out of the ad, and now scroll down again. And now we've got a toll-free number we can give a call, or click on call customer service. Or if you'd rather send a message or email, click on send message here. They've also got a couple of different numbers as well, a headquarter number, a media number as well.